Ox Securities Video Guide. How to make a deposit via bank transfer. This video explains how to make a deposit via bank transfer. It's important to note. Before sending any funds from your bank account, you must first submit a deposit request through your client portal by following the steps in the Help Center article. Submitting the deposit request first allows a system to match your bank transfer and automatically allocate your funds to your trading account without delays. How to make a deposit using bank transfer. To make a bank deposit, first choose the bank transfer deposit request option from the dashboard or the funding page in the client portal. You will be required to choose your trading account that you want to deposit into. Next, click the Confirm button at the bottom of the page to proceed to the payment page. Choose the currency and amount that you intend to deposit. Based on the currency chosen, you will be provided with the available banking methods and account details to make the payment. Finally, when you have made the payment from your bank, it's best that you upload a copy of the transaction receipt and click Submit. Lastly, if you haven't previously set up a withdrawal account in your client portal, you'll need to add your withdrawal account details to your portal before submitting your next withdrawal request. Please ensure you include the correct SWIFT code so your bank can receive international transfers from us without issue. The reason we ask you to submit your withdrawal account details now is to make things smoother for you later. Once your account is verified in advance, your next withdrawal can be processed quickly and without any delays or disruptions.